going on, guys? It is F from the Marketer here with another video. Today I'm super excited because we're going to Isla Mujeres in Cancun, Mexico. We're currently in the lobby waiting to get a tour bus to drop us off onto a yacht. Then the yacht is going to take us to the place where there's supposedly a lot of beautiful women. She didn't hear me, that's my fiance, by the way. Also, we came to this event and we made all these graphics. It's hilarious. These are actually the speakers of the event. That's one of them. Here's another one over here. Check this out. Kind of went in the movie theme. I'll show you the event later. Let's get on this boat. Got James shooting. Wes. How long is the drive?
I think like 45 minutes.
45? We called it. I was gonna try to hold it. I was like, nah.
¿Cuántos 5 momentos?
You almost got it, bro. Almost got it. Alright, so the boat only gives us 2 hours to hang out. So we got a little golf cart. Got James and Derek and Gabby. So let's cruise around. Success. You guys like it? Tastes like water. Yeah, like it tastes different from our Starbucks coconut milk. You clamp this and you take the keys. You gotta do it now, bro. I saw what you were doing. I don't know what kind of photo shoot's going on right now, but that's what's going on. It's a gold level for letting us come out here. Alright, so I got really good news. We're in Cancun. Bad news is I lost a screw to this camera, so I don't know how bad that's gonna be. The sand here is so soft. Feels so good. Cold. So clear. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Super clear. This guy's following me with a camera. Pretty sure it's paparazzi. We're heading out back to the resort, so hopefully this gives you a really good tour of the islands. If you plan on going, bring in cash, no ATMs, or at least I didn't catch an ATM. And be careful, make sure you don't get ripped off. For now, I'll see you next time. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace out.